Okay, let's make some peanut butter cookies. Okay, I got 1 egg. You'll need 1 cup of peanut butter and 1 cup of sugar. That's all. I've been wanting this for almost a week now, so I'm going to make them. I don't crave much shit anymore since I've done my lifestyle change. Especially sweets. Now, every once in a while, I'll still get a hankering for something. And when I do make something sweet, I usually use probably about 1 piece of something. Then I'm done with it. I don't hardly eat no tater chips no more. Nothing like that. But I have to keep sweets around sometimes in case my sugar drops, and it's been doing that a lot. And I mean a lot. Because I only eat 2 times a day now. And I get plenty of exercise anymore. I just don't lay around anymore. That makes a big difference too. Okay, we're going to need half this jar, and this is a 16-ounce jar. I love peanut butter. I can't get enough peanut butter. I buy the peanut butter that has just peanuts and salt in it. That's it. For me to eat. And when I do eat, I only eat 1 serving of anything. Anything I make, I just eat 1 serving of it. And it does make a whole lot of difference in your life when you got diabetes too. I've lost 110 pounds. Now you're going to need to put your dough in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before you bake your cookies. Now I'm just going to show you the recipe. I'm not baking none right now. Try this recipe and let me know how you like it. And you bake the cookies between 9 to 13 minutes at 350. Now you can add chocolate chips, you can add oatmeal, whatever you want to these. But this is my 3-ingredient recipe. You might have to add another extra egg if you add oatmeal or chocolate chips or anything to it. Do you see how thick it is? Look. That's the way you want it. Now after you shape your cookies, put them in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Then bake them. Okay, here we go. This is the size you need. If you need more cookies, just double the recipe. When you bake these, 2 to 3 per person should be enough for a treat. Probably can lay these out after a while, after they be in the refrigerator, flatten them out, put you some ice cream in between them, make you some peanut butter ice cream cookies after you bake them. Y'all have to be same size though when you do that. $19 cookies. And don't eat raw cookie dough. I know it's tempting. It smells good, but don't do it. Okay. We're going to put these and let these be in the refrigerator for 1 hour. And then when I get ready to bake some this evening after supper, then we'll have some. Thanks for watching. Push the like, subscribe button if you ain't already. And thank you. And these would be good after you bake them and put caramel sauce on top of them. Thanks for watching. Bye.